people tend to overestimate and also underestimate success and failure, I find. I've been talking for a little while about the fact that Canadian real estate as an asset class is overpriced, and that ultimately I expected to see a reversion to the mean, and that when you have an extreme overpricing like we have had, that reversion to the mean trade can often take you to difficult depths in its reversion. And now what you're seeing is you're seeing a slowdown in the number of transactions that are happening, and I suspect that the reason for that is that buyers are becoming aware of the fact that waiting is a profitable thing to be doing, and sellers are of the view that they want to get the price that their neighbor got 6 months ago, even though that price is no longer available. So it's a very illiquid market and it's not very transparent, but I suspect that illiquidity will resolve itself with lower prices. And don't forget, overriding all of this in the kind of supply and demand equation is the fact that you have an aging population, and that demographic is getting larger and larger, and those people will ultimately be downsizing and ultimately moving into a retirement home, and the primary asset for them to use for the cost of their future housing is the sale of their house. So I think that you're going to see an imbalance between supply and demand in favor of supply, and I think that this reversion to the mean trade that I've been talking about for a while will finally come to pass.